Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Lately I've been craving a warm and hearty breakfast since it's really cold and snowy outside, so I always opt for my favorite oat recipe. I also pair my oatmeal with this Dose Juice ginger turmeric shot with lemon, ginger, turmeric, and black pepper. I wanted to take a second to talk about Dose Juice. As you guys know, I've been a partner and a fan of Dose Juice for quite some time now. Dose Juice's products are 100% organic to reduce the risk of drinking pesticides as much as possible and to protect our planet from chemicals. Their products contain no added sugars or preservatives, only the natural juice coming from the veggies and fruits themselves. Dose Juice has really helped me set up a healthy routine within my day, and you guys know as a professional ballerina and dance teacher, I really value my overall health and well-being, which is why I'm so excited to announce that I have an exclusive coupon code for you guys to use for their Black Friday sale. When you use my code JasmineMcD25, not only will you get 25% off your entire order, but you will also get 2 free shots. The shots include 1 ginger turmeric shot, my favorite, and the apple cider vinegar shot. So go check out the link in my description. This exclusive Black Friday deal ends November 29th. And not only are you doing something good for your body, but you're also supporting a local Canadian company. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And if you're new here, you may as well hit subscribe because you're already here. You guys know the drill. I thought I would take you guys along with me on a morning/afternoon, kind of like a mini vlog, just because I am pretty busy today. I had a class from 9 until 10, then I have about a 3-hour break, and then I'm teaching until 8 o'clock tonight. It's kind of sporadically spread out, so I don't teach straight from 1 until 8. I teach from like 1 to 2, and then 3 to 4, 5 to 8. So it's kind of spread out. Nonetheless, I wanted to film a little vlog for you guys. I'm just gonna do my skincare. I just taught my 9 a.m. client, and I never like doing my skincare if I know I'm gonna sweat. It feels kind of pointless. As you guys know, I have really sensitive skin, so my go-tos are always First Aid Beauty. It has no parabens, also no animal testing, which is important to me because I'm plant-based. No harsh fragrances or anything. I also probably should have pinned my bangs back, so this is gonna be an interesting dodge to try to not get my bangs wet as I do this. I'm gonna go do some ballet too because I have a 3-hour break, and my goal for 2023 is to be able to do a full-length variation, not just 1, but 2 full-length variations. So in order to achieve that goal, I need to be in tip-top ballet performance shape. So that means and requires me to dance at least 4 times a week. Since it's Monday, I like to start out my Mondays as best as I possibly can to set up my week as best as I possibly can. I also love when I get orders from Dose Juice because I can start off with a ginger turmeric shot, a celery juice, and I just feel like I've got my life together even when I don't. We also got so much snow over this weekend. We were supposed to go bowling with our neighbor friend yesterday, but the snow did not stop. So we were like, why don't we just have a cozy night in? So we did that. And Saturday, I taught dance classes, and the rest of Saturday, I pretty much did nothing. I can't even remember what me and Steve did. I think we just chilled at home. I got back home. I cleaned up a bunch, and I had a bubble bath and relaxed. I edited my YouTube video, and we had a nap. But Sunday, we went over to our neighbors, and that was really fun. Fun fact about me, I cannot do my makeup, or at least I can't do my makeup well, if I don't sit on the ground and do it in front of the mirror. Is anybody else like that? Or is it just me? Anyways, I'm gonna do a little bit of a fuller face of makeup just because when it's winter, I feel like my skin gets really dry and I don't get as oily, so my pores don't feel as clogged, so I can kind of get away with it. I'm gonna use this Kosas concealer. I've really only been using concealer and blush as a base for my makeup the past few days, and it's been really fun. I feel like a girl again. For the longest time in the summer, just because my skin was really breaking out, I was like taking a break from makeup and doing the bare minimum, also because I was working sometimes 12-hour days and I just did not have the energy to take off my makeup at the end of the day. And I also did not have the energy to put on makeup in the morning. So now that I have a lot more time in my days, I love doing my makeup and sitting down. And I also love this blush look. I feel like in the winter, it just looks so warm and sweet, you know? I really wish there was an adult ballet class near me that I could take. I know I can always use the studio, but I just really miss the sense of community, being in a class full of people. Yeah. I don't know. I was just thinking about that a lot because like, well, my vlogs must be getting kind of boring. I don't know if you guys are finding them like relatable or comfy. Like comment down below if I should change things up, if I should like try out different ballet classes, or if I should actually post ballet classes, because I know I keep saying I'm going to, but logistically it's just really difficult because then you have to get copy-free music, and I have been having the hardest time with that. I just don't want to run into those problems as often. So really finding music has been a huge challenge for me. So if you guys know of anything. I know Catherine Morgan has her own music sometimes, but I think she also must be purchasing music, and other YouTubers must be purchasing music to be able to use it for ballet classes, because I can't figure out for the life of me how people are using actual music and not the free YouTube music that has no counts. Literally some of the songs that I've done in my pointe classes are just no counts. It's just what it is. So yeah, those are just my internal thoughts. I miss doing a ballet class full of people. Even though I teach them, it's just not the same when you do them alone in your bedroom. And B, I need to do something new on my YouTube channel. I feel like I'm not stagnating, but I feel like I just need something to re-inspire me and you guys, because I know there's a lot of new viewers on this channel, so you guys are probably enjoying some of this stuff, but I've been doing it kind of the same for the last year or so. So I don't know if that means I post less and longer videos, or if I post more frequent short tutorials. So let me know. I'm open to different ideas. I've just had a lot of coffee too, so these are my internal thoughts. Oh my god, I need to do this off camera. If you know me, you know that I love listening to pop music when I'm dancing by myself, even when I'm in the studio by myself and just working at home. I love to put my AirPods in and listen to Taylor Swift or whatever album that I'm binging lately. But during Nutcracker season, this is the time where my prima ballerina inside my heart shines. It's the one time I get super, super excited about classical music. Don't get me wrong, I love classical music, but when you hear it every day for the last 20 or so years, you get a little bit tired of hearing the same kind of sounds. So I just like to mix it up by listening to pop songs. But whenever it's Nutcracker season again, I am listening to Nutcracker Suite or the Sugar Plum Fairy Pas de Deux. The music by Tchaikovsky is so beautiful. It's so classic and nostalgic. The one that I will not listen to because it gives me actual bad memories and bad feelings is the Dance of the Snowflakes or the Waltz of the Snowflakes, and that's only because I've done it so many times I can't listen to the music anymore. That's the one song I can't listen to from the Nutcracker. I just filmed a bunch of TikToks for my TikTok page which is why I'm in this get up, but I also was practicing some things that are in the variation I want to practice when I go to the studio, which is tomorrow, because Mondays I stay at home since I teach online. Tuesdays I teach in the studio, so I try to work in the studio as well. Wednesdays I stay at home, Thursdays I'm in the studio. Fridays depends on how I'm feeling, depends on the weather, depends on the gas prices, but I usually stay at home, and Saturdays I'm always in the studio. So every other day I'm in the studio, and I just like to keep practicing when I'm at home as well, work on some things that I can. In this space, I really should put out the floor that Steven got me for my birthday or for Christmas one year, because it would work a lot better to turn in, because like, look at this. This is kind of scary to turn in. Whew. It's just so slippery in the bedroom, but that's okay. Whew. I can't take as much force in here, because if I do, I will wipe out. I just finished filming some things for my TikTok page and my Instagram mostly, and if you're not following me, it's JASSOME for Instagram. I dropped my lipstick, JASSOME for TikTok. Go follow me. I'm gonna go make the bed because I haven't made the bed yet today. Usually I make it first thing, but I was in a rush this morning because I woke up late, and I think I'm gonna go take a stroll outside and have lunch, and I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. I know it's really short, but quite frankly I won't have time to edit it later, so I'm gonna edit it right before I teach. And my posting schedule is kind of messed up. It's Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. First it used to work out for me when I did workout videos, but now that I'm doing more long form, short form, long. When I'm doing longer vlogs, it's really difficult to keep up the schedule, so I might change it around a little bit. Comment down below if I should post 2 times a week, 3 times a week still. If you want me to dedicate Tuesdays to like technique tips or something, or ballet tutorials or workouts, let me know, because I honestly don't know. I'm just going with the flow. But yeah, I'm gonna go make the bed and then go have a walk and then have lunch, and then I'm teaching until 8 o'clock. This is by far my favorite dressing. It's just tahini and maple syrup. Sometimes I add mustard and vinegar, like balsamic vinegar, but just alone. Tastes so good. I love it on everything, especially Brussels sprouts and carrots.